Hey, good evening, guys. I'm up by 12 hour after this EU long. Like the trade was amazing and played out exactly as planned. After this trade, I'm up by around 12 hour in last 10 days with a win rate of around 100%. Like out of six trade, the four was winner and two was break even. This setup was very beautiful. The daily bias was clearly bullish. The closing of the previous day's candle was higher than the candle before it, higher than the high of the candle before it. So the daily bias was clearly bullish for me, and we was at the same time we was very near to the HPL. So I was just looking for a setup in lower time frame, and I just spotted a clean textbook setup for textbook OT setup, a sweep of liquidity, then break of structure leaving fair value gap. I got involved into this trade with a limit order, and look at this sharp entry. Almost all the HPLs are cleared. GBP USD we are still looking for this highs in monthly time frame. These are the highs from July 25. We just cleared this high. Mm, what I will be waiting for, I will be waiting for a corrective phase downside in daily time frame. This is the last impulsive phase in the daily time frame, and the best scenario is if price managed to give us a good, decently deep correction in daily time frame. But it doesn't look like it's gonna happen because Dixie is also very near to the HPL, the external range sell side liquidity downside. So I will be also aware that that we are very near to the HPL, and it's possible that on next two or three session we will trade above this high. We will manage to trade above this high. If the daily candle managed to close above the previous day's high, in that case the daily bias is going to be bullish for me tomorrow, and I'm going to look for intraday long setups if I find any during the next London session. Let's see how it unfolds. And Asian session we will plan for a long if everything line up properly. Gold. Gold price is strongly trading towards upside. In 4 hour we are above 9 EMA, and we're just dropping below, possibly this low. It's possible for gold to trade up again, trade higher and create another all-time high. Man, we are at 5,000. Can you imagine it? Okay, if after clearing this low, the this 4 hour low, if I find any strong structural shift towards upside, then I will start planning for a long and target towards this high. Okay, AUD USD, we cleared this high. That okay, we already cleared this HPL. NZD USD, we're very near to this HPL. The daily candle is bullish. The daily bias is bullish. We are still looking for this previous day high. Let's see if we can spot any intraday tradable opportunity inside this, because the bias is very much clean. We're targeting towards this high and this high. So if price, this is the last flip that I can spot in 1 hour. So if price managed to correct inside this range and then give us a strong sign that it really wants to go higher, that means if price correct back lower and then strongly reject upside, in that case I will think about building a long position here. Let's see how it unfolds. I'm just gonna set my alert around this level. USD CHF it's just too much extended towards downside right now. We already cleared this low, so this doesn't make sense right now. There is nothing that we can target. uh Honestly, I don't want to target this low, so there is nothing that we can target this side. So I'll be just waiting for a deeper correction towards upside. For now USD is very much bearish. USD JPY I was planning for a long, but there is no bullish candle closure yet. In monthly time frame we can clearly see that we are trading towards this low possibly. This was a really important area of support. Price rejected from this multiple times, and the last time we rejected from this and we cleared this high, and just after clearing this high, we're strongly dropping towards downside. We're very near to this HPL. Let's see if we can spot any tradable opportunity here. This is the last impulsive break towards downside in 4 hour. What I will be waiting for, I will be waiting for a corrective phase up towards 38.2% or higher. And if after giving after that corrective phase up, price give me signs that it really wants to go lower, in that case I will plan for a short only if price managed to correct higher before clearing this low. If price managed to clear this low first, in that case I will just not look for any kind of shorts, because in that case the storyline will not be that good, because there will be no HPL downside to target for. USD CAD, same story. Possibly we have, or yeah, I'm just targeting for this low. In monthly time frame, we are stuck inside this range, and the current monthly candle is very much strongly bearish, and the previous monthly low is not cleared, so we are targeting for the previous monthly low. If price managed to correct back a little higher, this is the last 4 hour impulsive break towards downside. Yeah, price is looking, the chart is looking too messy, isn't it? Just let me clear these things. Okay, after this impulsive drop, price managed to correct higher towards 38.2%, and then we are strongly dropping towards downside. What I will be waiting for, I will be waiting for a corrective phase up before clearing this low. If price managed to correct back higher towards this kind of level, in that case I will start looking for good rejections towards downside, and I can take a short towards this low, targeting this low with a 1 is to 3 risk reward ratio. So I'm just gonna place my alert at around this level, and let's see how it unfolds. I'm just gonna scan through all these ideas that I have just created on the next London session, before the next London session. So let's just summarize the whole thing. I'm just looking for a deeper correction in GBP USD daily time frame, but at the same time I'm aware that we can get some intraday longing opportunity towards upside and targeting towards this high. In gold, uh, in 4 hour, if price managed to give us some good rejections towards down upside after clearing this low, in that case I can plan for a long, but for now there is nothing. The price just failed to create a new high, and it's possible that price will keep continue going downside and clear this low. At the same time, I'm aware that we are into a very important psychological level, that is 5,000. So it's possible that we are gonna completely turn from this kind of level and start. It's possible that we're gonna start a downtrend from this level. So let's see how it unfolds. I'm just waiting for more price action to unfold in gold. AUD USD, there is nothing. The HPL is cleared. NZD USD, we can still look for longs, but I don't think we're gonna get any setup, because there is no sign that price is going to correct back all the way lower downside towards this level. In USD CHF, there is nothing. I'm just keeping this pair for now. And USD JPY, I'm waiting for a deeper correction before clearing this low. If price managed to clear this low first, in that case, I just need to reevaluate the whole plan. USD CAD, same story. I'm just waiting for a deeper correction towards upside so that I can sell and target towards this low. DIX is strongly bearish, and I'm looking for this external range sell side liquidity. There is nothing in EJ and GJ right now. I'm just too much confused in USD JPY, so I'm just keeping these two pairs for now. BSC was amazing today, up by 2.8%. Nifty was quite good. If we drop off Fibonacci on this impulsive move, then currently we're bouncing from the OTE. In Sensex, it's more beautiful than Nifty. If we drop our Fibonacci on this last impulsive move, then we are bouncing from OTE. So it's highly possible that we're gonna keep moving towards upside. It's just a technical part. The fundamental matters all obviously. Let's see how it unfolds. I'm just very much bullish in some stocks. Yeah, I'm gonna post another scheme through session on the next before the next London session open. So see you soon, guys. Have a great day.